Let's learn today, guys, G2 test route at Brampton. Examiner will say, okay, make a left turn, check left, right, and go easily. If you see any pedestrian, please wait, otherwise you can go. Make a right turn from here, and examiner will ask you make a right turn again. They will do parallel parking and do everything here. Make a left turn from the stop sign because we cannot do anything here. So speed limit is 20 to 25, or just be normal. Okay, so just a normal speed, keep it like that. Examiner will say make a right turn from the stop sign. As you can see, I have a lot of cars here. Make a 1 car space minimum. Okay, make a 1 car space minimum. Make a right signal, check the blind spot, and stop on the line first. Stop on the stop line and go a little bit forward. Check left, check right. Nobody's coming, we can go. Okay, keep it like that. And examiner will say just make a left turn from the upcoming street. Make a little bit speed up and give signal. Check the blind spot, come to the left. Now examiner will say make a left turn from the upcoming street. So again, do not stop. If the traffic is coming, then you have to wait, otherwise do not wait. Okay, make a left turn. Make sure you don't touch any of those lanes. That is a continuity lane. The white lane is a continuity, yellow lane is solid lane. We cannot touch any of them. It's a 50 zone. Make sure if you have a traffic, follow the traffic. Okay, please. And if you see anything, like that, the parking, just give the, keep it like that, keep it in center, come to the right by yourself. Examiner will say make a, emergency stop or downhill, uphill on the side here. So please just follow that. If you see anything, they have parked someone on the side, please come to the, come to the middle and make sure nobody is coming from the opposite, like on the oncoming, please. Okay, and when you see 2 lanes, come to the right by yourself, and examiner will say make a left turn from the traffic lights. So make sure change lane to the left, check the blind spot, come to the left, like that. And now make a left turn from the traffic lights, give the signal, check the blind spot, and get in from the white broken lanes. Do not touch yellow line, please. Keep it like that. Make sure you have a 1 car space. So 2 things we have to keep that in our mind. First is pedestrian and second is oncoming traffic. Nobody is coming. So we can go, make a left turn, keep it in the left lane. Okay, keep it in the left lane. Do not come to the right away. Make your speed a little bit. It's a 40 here because when it's flashing, it's a 40. So right now it's flashing, it's a 40. Lane change to the right by yourself. Examiner won't ask you. Okay. Usually school timing is 8 AM to 4 PM. So please keep it like that. Make sure you keep that in your mind. And again, don't worry about the speed if you have a traffic. You can see up there is a flashing is going on. It's a 40 when flashing. If there is no flashing, please, it's a 50 speed, 50 km/h. So keep it like that. And I need 2 car space while driving, like this. Please keep it like that and follow that. As you can see, everybody is following, they're maintaining the gap, and keep it like that. examiner will say, okay, make a right turn from the traffic lights, give the signal, check the blind spot, and if you have a red light, please pretend it like a normal stop, wait on the line, complete stop. Let me show you, give me a second. When you have a green, make sure do not stop. Okay, when you have a green, you have a right of way, you can go make a right turn, keep it in the right lane. Okay, again it's a 40 when flashing, so keep it like that. It is just a small road, do not get nervous guys, it's very easy, just a 7 to 8 minutes test. Keep it like that, and examiner will ask you, okay, make a right turn from here or they will go straight. So we are going straight. Examiner will ask you make a right turn from the traffic lights, give the signal, check the blind spot. Sometimes they ask you a little bit before, like they ask you, okay, go into the plaza. They also have a have a way over there as well. So we are following. You can see there is in front of us there is a red car, that is the examiner. The test is going on. So make sure green light, no pedestrian, you guys can go easy. Do not stop. If you have a green light, do not stop. Green means go. Okay, green means go. So make sure examiner will say, okay, make a right turn from the traffic lights, give the signal, check the blind spot, get in from the beginning. Make sure you do not touch any of those lanes. This is a continuity lane, both are continuity lanes on the sides, white continuity lanes. Please, it doesn't have any broken, you should not touch any of this. This is a yield sign. If you see anyone is coming, make sure check left, right, and check down traffic behind. Nobody is coming, we can go. Examiner will say make a left turn from the stop sign, check the signal, blind spot, and come to the left. Make sure your signal should be on. And one car space always. And this is a always stop. So who came first will go first. Check left, check right, and we can go. Make sure for the pedestrian as well, please keep it like that. And examiner will say make a right turn from the stop sign, give the signal, check the blind spot. I know there is no need to check the blind spot here, but still you guys please check it. It's just we are not losing anything, just make sure you move your head. If you see the pedestrians like that, wait until fully he cross the road. So stop on the stop sign. This is also a always stop. Check left, check right, and go like that. And as you can see, make a left turn from the stop sign again. Make sure nobody is coming from the left side because they don't have any stop sign. Please keep it like that. And again examiner will say make a right turn. You don't have any stop sign here, please do not stop. You guys can slow down, but you cannot stop until unless you don't have any pedestrian or traffic. If someone stops, you have to stop. So this is your test is done here. So make sure guys follow these steps to pass your test with the first attempt. Thank you so much. Make sure examiner will say again make a left turn and give the signal. And again there is a pedestrian walk here, so you should watch carefully because most of the students get failed because of the pedestrian at the drive test center. So please keep it like that. Thank you so much. And examiner will ask you, okay, do the front parking. Please guys keep it like that. Thank you.